Welcome back to SKB Diary, where the action never stops. Today, we're taking you on an incredible journey, diving deep into the world of heavy truck transportation, the massive task of felling giant trees, and the fascinating process of woodworking. Get ready for some jaw-dropping moments and powerful machinery that will leave you on the edge of your seat. It's hard to believe as you watch them maneuver a massive log up a perilous slope with only a simple vehicle. The task is so challenging and dangerous that it leaves viewers holding their breath. The driver carefully navigates the swaying vehicle inch by inch, as if battling gravity itself. Behind them, an excavator provides its strength and suspense. Amid this risky coordination, you can feel the courage and skill in every movement, transforming the impossible into reality. You might think there was some magic at play. Oh no, it was far from that. It was a truck loaded with wood that tragically overturned on the road. The driver did everything in his power to prevent the disaster, but despite his efforts, it was unavoidable. Oh my God, it's unbelievable. The truck, the wooden bridge simply couldn't bear the excessive weight, and the inevitable happened right before our eyes. The winding mountain pass, a daunting trail carved through the vast expanse of rugged peaks and dense forests, sets the stage for an awe-inspiring sight. A massive timber truck is slowly ascending the steep slope, its determination cutting through the stillness of nature. The roar of its engine reverberates through the mountains, each echo a testament to its struggle against gravity. Behind it, enormous logs hang precariously, their immense weight threatening to drag the vehicle backward with every inch it climbs. This powerful image of a timber truck scaling such a formidable slope captures more than just hardship and difficulty. It symbolizes sheer perseverance and the unyielding endurance needed to conquer the challenges posed by both nature and life itself. A giant tree stands tall, a silent witness to centuries gone by, making you wonder what secrets it has preserved through the ages. Some of those secrets may have been eroded or lost to the relentless march of time, yet their grandeur remains undiminished. It's truly impressive to witness the JCB 426ZX in action, operating with both power and precision as it takes on the challenging task of dismantling the old, unstable bridge. With each calculated stroke of its bucket, the fragile structure crumbles, making way for a stronger and more reliable pathway. In mere minutes, the once compromised area is leveled, transformed into a foundation-ready vehicles once more. This machine is more than just a tool for demolition. It's a builder of trust and a symbol of resilience, quietly performing its role like an unsung hero in this essential and demanding mission. Imagine standing in the midst of a massive construction site with dirt, rocks, and debris flying around you. The only thing that can keep up with the chaos is the Case 570 and tractor loader. This powerhouse is designed for the toughest environments, where precision and durability are crucial. Powered by a robust engine and equipped with advanced hydraulics, this loader is engineered to handle everything from grading to lifting heavy materials. The 570HA features a high-performance turbocharged engine, offering both fuel efficiency and an impressive lifting capacity. With a breakout force of over 1,200 pounds and a lift height that can reach over 10 feet, this machine ensures that no job is too tough, whether it's digging trenches or loading materials onto trucks. And its advanced transmission system makes it smooth and efficient even in the most challenging conditions. One dramatic real-life scenario is when construction workers have to clear debris in tight spaces. A typical machine might struggle with maneuverability, but the Case 570N shines with its quick response time and agility. Next, we step into the dense forest where the Sampo Rosenlu 12H harvester dominates the landscape. This machine isn't just for cutting down trees, it's a game changer in forestry. The 12H combines the latest technology in harvesting with a design built for endurance. Its advanced hydraulic systems allow it to efficiently fell trees, while the high-precision cutting head ensures every tree is processed with minimal waste. Equipped with a powerful engine and high-end sensors, the 12H can handle a wide variety of forestry tasks, from thinning forests to clear-cutting large trees. It features an intelligent system that helps operators optimize fuel efficiency and productivity, reducing the environmental impact without sacrificing power. Imagine the harvester making its way through a dense forest, effortlessly cutting through trees with precision. It's almost like watching a giant animal carve its path through the wilderness. The 12H's ability to work in harsh, uneven terrain makes it indispensable for those in the logging industry, especially when working in regions where access to the forest is difficult. Early in the morning, the tractor embarked on its journey, braving the winding, muddy road with unwavering determination. Its engine roared with a force as fierce as the wind, howling through the dense forest, a symphony of raw power and grit. As its wheels turned, they churned up the thick mud beneath, each rotation ripping through the ground and sending splashes flying to both sides. Picture this, a towering forest, thick with trees, where the only thing standing between the operator and success is the Tiga Cat 875E logger. This machine is the definition of power and precision in forestry, designed for those who demand nothing but the best. The 875E is engineered to withstand the harshest conditions, offering both efficiency and durability, making it the go-to choice for professional loggers who need a workhorse to get the job done. Powered by a high-performance engine, the 875E is built to tackle the most demanding logging operations, from thinning to clear cutting. With its heavy-duty undercarriage, powerful hydraulic system, and the advanced logging head, this machine can fell, delimb, and process trees with ease, all in one seamless operation. What sets the 875-pound-E apart is its intelligent technology that maximizes fuel efficiency and productivity. If you've been amazed by the power and precision of these incredible machines, don't forget to hit that like button. Subscribe now and join us for more thrilling content about the world of heavy machinery. Drop your thoughts in the comments. What machine would you choose for the toughest job? Stay tuned for more jaw-dropping action.